And we have some news just coming in. AAP's new poster in the PC room. Arvind Kejriwal behind bars in the feature on our banner. The backdrop at our PC room has been changed completely. It is image of Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars along with Jhadu symbol and AAP name. So that's the poster that you see on your screens right now. As far as AAP's media room is concerned, trying to send out a message that there is unfair treatment being meted out to Arvind Kejriwal, and clearly that the arrest is politically motivated. Interesting times really with AAP trying to get very creative with its presentation of Arvind Kejriwal now behind posters. Remains to be seen how far this in fact garners the sympathy of the voters in the run-up to the crucial Lok Sabha elections. But what you see right now is in fact this poster that has been put out by the Aam Aadmi Party as far as the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister here is concerned. This is the backdrop of the poster in which Arvind Kejriwal is seen behind bars. So it's the briefing room. Essentially, each time a minister or anybody else, in fact, briefs the press, the recall value is going to be of Arvind Kejriwal behind bars. That is the new poster that you see on your screens right now. This is the AAP media room. This is the press conference room. The backdrop of the AAP press conference room has been changed. Obviously, in fact, giving an indication that the Aam Aadmi Party is going to the voter saying that Arvind Kejriwal has been unfairly treated and that AAP is at the receiving end of the BJP's political vendetta. This is the AAP briefing room where the poster has been changed to Arvind Kejriwal being shown right behind bars. Also, a previous controversy with Bhagat Singh's grandson, in fact, going on to hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that why is the Chief Minister's poster being put aside that of Bhagat Singh and B.R. Ambedkar? Kamaljeet is getting asked more details on that. Kamal, it's evident that the politics of the AAP really is going to be on sending out a message to the people that your leader is behind bars and this is nothing but political vendetta.
Well, definitely there. The way the statement of Bhagat Singh's grandson has come in, where he's targeting both the Aam Aadmi Party and Sunita Kejriwal, this obviously goes to show that there is a politics which is the all-time high. Now, this is a family which is related to Bhagat Singh, so obviously the emotions also quite high as far as this is concerned. But remember, this is also a time of Lok Sabha polls, so this is obviously going to cause a lot of embarrassment. We're yet to hear from the Aam Aadmi Party, but very clearly, when Bhagwat Mann took over as the Chief Minister, he would wear the turban similar to that of Bhagat Singh, and yes, and when he came in, he said there would be a photograph of Bhagat Singh on one side and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on the other side. So following the constitution at all levels. But the way things have panned out now, especially a party which has formed from the India Against Corruption and thereafter taking this entire motto of Kattar Imandar or staunchly honest, that is something which may take a hit, especially with Arvind Kejriwal. Now, there's another perspective, obviously, about how this is vendetta politics, which the Aam Aadmi Party has constantly been reiterating. But at this point of time, the statement coming at a time where it could actually hurt the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, Kamal, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details. The BJP has also responded to these developments. Let's take a listen.
आप सोच के देखिए बाबा अम्बेडकर जी क्या सोचते होंगे, शहीद भगत सिंह क्या सोचते होंगे। ऐसे भ्रष्ट और करप्ट लोगों के साथ हमारी फोटो टांग दी। ये देश के लिए लड़ने वाले लोग थे और ये परिवार के लिए धन इकट्ठा करते हुए शराब घोटाला करते हुए जेल गए लोग हैं। सुनीता जी, आपको ये पाप नहीं करना चाहिए था, आपने बहुत बड़ा पाप किया है। और मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को इस पाप की सजा मिली है, आपको ऐसा पाप दोहराना नहीं चाहिए। ये पाप का सजा भुगत रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिनको बच्चों का शराब लगा है, जिनकी जूठी कस्में खाते थे, उन माताओं का शराब लगा है, जिनको अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने नशा परोसा, इसलिए वो जेल गए हैं। और ऐसे जेल में आदमी की आप फोटो बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी के साथ लगाएं, शहीद भगत सिंह जी के साथ लगाएं, ये उनका बहुत बड़ा अपमान है। ये अपमान आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था।
All right, the AAP in fact has put out a portrait of Arvind Kejriwal right next to Bhagat Singh. And the other thing that they've done essentially is that changed the backdrop of the press conference room like we saw in those pictures earlier. Staying with news of the Aam Aadmi Party, after Arvind Kejriwal, jailed AAP leader Manish Sisodia is writing letters from jail. He has written a letter saying that he would be out soon. In his letter, he has referred to Gandhi and Nelson Mandela being put behind bars during the freedom struggle. Sisodia said that Gandhi and Mandela are his inspiration. AAP has faced backlash yet again from Bhagat Singh's grandson. The grandson Yadvinder Sandhu lashing out at AAP after Sunita Kejriwal also read out the Chief Minister's message. In the backdrop, as you can see on your screens right now, was the portrait of Arvind Kejriwal that showed him behind bars, and on the right was that of Bhagat Singh, Shahid Bhagat Singh. On the left was that of B.R. Ambedkar. Now, Sandhu is hit out at AAP following the photography of Delhi Chief Minister behind bars. He said that the attempt was being made by AAP to compare Arvind Kejriwal with legends, and AAP must refrain from doing this.
मनीष सिसोदिया जी, आपको शिक्षा मंत्री बनाया था, लेकिन आपको बहुत शौक था शराब मंत्री बनने का। आपको काम दिया था बच्चों को शिक्षा देने का, लेकिन आपने शराब के ठेके खोले। इतना पैसा आप लोगों ने दिल्ली का लूटा और अब आप चिट्ठियां लिख के इमोशनल चिट्ठियां लिख रहे हैं। इसकी सजा मिलेगी। और आपने कहा हम जेल से फिर आएंगे, आप आओगे तो जरूर, लेकिन सजा पूरी करके आओगे। दोबारा आपको कभी सपना नहीं मिलेगा दिल्ली के लोगों की इस तरह से सेवा के नाम से लूटने का। ये सपना भूल जाना, ये दोबारा कभी आपको मिलने वाला नहीं है।
Alright, the BJP has also gone all guns blazing against the Aam Aadmi Party for this very reason. Now, we earlier spoke to Bhagat Singh's grandson, Yadvinder Sandhu. Here's what he said on AAP using portraits of Bhagat Singh and Ambedkar alongside with jail picture of Arvind Kejriwal in a portrait. कि आपने एक वीडियो जारी किया है ये बताते हुए कि ये आम आदमी पार्टी राजनीति कर रही है और इस तरीके से अरविंद केजरीवाल का फोटो लगाना जायज नहीं है।
देखिए, जैसे ही ये फोटो मेरे सामने आया, वीडियो मेरे सामने आया, सुनीता केजरीवाल दिखा तो देख के बहुत बुरा लगा, दिल को बहुत आघात हुआ। और यहाँ तक मुझे हमारे देश से ही काफी लोगों ने ये वीडियो भेजी और उन सबको भी बहुत गलत लगा। देखिए, जो हमारे ये महान शहीद हैं, हम लोग इनके दिखाए रास्ते पे चल सकते हैं, पर ये कहें कि हम इनके साथ अपनी तुलना करें या इनके साथ अपनी बराबरी करें तो ये जायज नहीं है। ये चाहे कोई भी राजनेता हो, केजरीवाल जी हो या कोई भी हमारे देश के राजनेता, उनको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा त्याग किया है शहीद आजम भगत सिंह जी ने, और इवन बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी के साथ भी अपनी तुलना की जा रही है। तो ये देख के बहुत बुरा लगता है जी। और जहाँ तक हम पहले भी सुनते थे तो वो सब यही कह रहे थे हम इनके दिखाए रास्ते पे चलने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, पर अब तो बुरा लगा देख के कि अब वो कह रहे हैं कि हम वो बन चुके हैं। और मेरे ख्याल से राजनेताओं को ये भी देखना चाहिए वो किन आरोपों में अंदर जा रहे हैं या क्या उनके ऊपर एलिगेशन लगाए गए हैं। तो वो तुलना करना बहुत ही गलत है, बहुत देख के हर्टफुल लगता है। तो इस तरह की चीजों से बचना चाहिए हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस को।
All right, so in fact, we spoke earlier with the grandson, as you heard, of Shahid Bhagat Singh, who's been upset about the portrayal in such a way, saying that Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, behind bars, flanked with portraits of Bhagat Singh and B.R. Ambedkar, isn't something that we like, isn't something that we appreciate. And not just me as the family member, but also a lot of people have been in fact writing in, is what he told me earlier, talking about the fact or communicating to him that this isn't something that should be tolerated, is what is being said by the kin of Bhagat Singh, the grandson, the Yadvinder Sandhu, speaking with India Today exclusively, talking about the fact that this kind of a portrayal is wrong. Take inspiration, sure. Talk to him about in your political speeches, sure. But this sort of a comparison isn't something that we will allow.